Welcome to the DornerWorks American Sign Language Interpreter Senior Project Team. The main objective of this project is to create a machine learning application accelerated using a field programmable gate array, or FPGA. The goal of the machine learning application is to interpret American Sign Language in real time. At the heart of a machine learning application is a machine learning model. The machine learning model is how the computer makes decisions. An FPGA is used to accelerate the decision-making process. How does the machine learning model know which decision is the right one? Thousands of images are shown to the machine learning model in a process called training. The machine learning model can now identify key features in new images based on previous images and make inferences as to where something is and what it is in the image. This is demonstrated in the output as a bounding box and a label.
There are three main parts to creating a machine learning model. First is creating a robust and diverse data set. We use a data set of 15,000 labeled images that we labeled ourselves. The next is choosing a model. We chose a pre-existing model called YOLO version 4. And finally is actually training the model. We trained on Darknet, and we had to change the model into something that could be run on the Kriya-sam.
So for the software design side of things, we have two main scripts. We have the startup script and we have the application script. The startup script just sets up the whole environment to get ready for the main application. And in the main application, that's where we capture an image, send it to the DPU for inferencing, draw our overlay and bounding box information on the image, and then display it to the screen for the user to see.
On the hardware side of things for this project, we decided to go with a Kriya-sam as our main processing unit, which has a couple different CPU cores and then an FPGA built into it. We decided to use this card because then we can create a carrier card around it, which has all of our inputs and outputs that we need to plug into it. So we started with the dev kit and then basically broke that down into only the inputs and outputs that we need for our project. So we created a custom carrier card, as you can see here, that has our inputs and outputs, which is DisplayPort, USB, UART, SD card, power, and JTAG for debugging.
This technology has many use cases in a variety of industries. In this project, we focus on American Sign Language. Communication barriers are a big issue in society, and technology like machine learning is helping to break down those barriers.